Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Verify your carrier's outage status so you don't chase phantom problems, then act. Restart the phone and toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to force a fresh radio handshake. Once done, remove and inspect the SIM, look for cracks or corrosion, and reseat it cleanly because a poor contact often mimics network loss. If you have a spare SIM, swap it in briefly to separate SIM faults from radio or account issues. Next, dig deeper. Manually select network operators and switch radio modes between available standards so you can identify compatibility problems. Reset network settings to purge corrupt APN, MMS, or proxy entries. This often restores data and SMS. Remember, this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Once done, isolate the fault by testing your SIM in another phone and testing your phone with a different SIM. This comparison tells you whether the issue is device hardware, account provisioning, or the finish by contacting your carrier. Request account provisioning checks, an EMA validation, or a SIM replacement, and ask them to push a network refresh to your device. Make sure your phone has the latest firmware and carrier settings installed because updates fix radio bugs. If diagnostics suggest hardware failure, arrange repair. If you still lack connection, enable Wi-Fi calling or use a temporary hotspot while the provider resolves the issue. This keeps you connected until the underlying problem is fixed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.